Mobility solutions.
Hey, I'm Chris from Mobility Solutions, AffordableMedicalUSA.com. I'm also going to tell you about UltralightUSA.com. UltralightUSA.com is a point director to our main website, to the Jazzy Ultralight, but this also will turn into a landing page very soon with a lot of different ultralight, very lightweight. Everything's going lightweight. So I got something really exciting to tell you. Pride has just launched their brand new heavy duty carbon fiber folding power wheelchair, and it is coming to us very, very soon. But we wanted to get on here and talk to you a little bit about it so you know what it is, what to expect, and then obviously when we get it, we'll do our reviews, our ride out, we'll see how good it is. So Jazzy Carbon HD looks pretty. I actually got to see a cool video. Here's what it looks like. So we just went to pridemobility.com to get some good pictures. We also have this on our website. We'll show you that, how to order it, and we will take pre-orders. I would highly suggest, if you're looking for a heavy-duty fold-up power wheelchair, to go ahead and get the order in. We're expecting them to arrive to us sometime in middle of January, I think. Once we get them, we ship them out very fast. So we feel like they're going to go in back order extremely fast. So that's why we do large orders. So we do have a large order of them coming in. And with your pre-orders will allow us to add more to that order so we can keep up with inventory. It's the only really way to do it, and it just gets to you faster. Most companies, they just order direct from Pride, and then it gets like, I don't know, there might be 400 people in front of you where you're going to be at the back of the line. So we just did a Universal trip. We did the speed pass, so we're at the front of the line. I would suggest doing that. So order from us so we can get to you faster. Pre-order, you can do it now. Here's what it's going to look like. So what we know is that it's carbon fiber, obviously. It can hold up to 400 pounds, and it's only 32 pounds. The other heavy-duty fold-up power chairs that I sell is about 65 pounds. Now, if you go look at some of these people online, make sure you read the specs very well. They might say it's as light as 40 pounds, but then you got to take the motors off of certain things. So this is the first one I know of that is this lightweight that can hold 400 pounds. That's insane, and that's awesome for someone that needs more room and that can hold more weight. Now, is this better than the Jazzy Ultralight? I'm not sure, but the Jazzy Ultralight is an 18-inch, I think, between the arms. This is 20 inches between the arms. So just think about that. 2 extra inches is a big deal, and 100 pounds extra weight capacity. The Carbon HD, or Jazzy Carbon HD, it's going to come in 2 colors. So it's going to come in this night sky blue, and it will also come in this cherry red. There's your spring suspensions at the front, which is important. Digital dash. And there's your fold up design. So on the website, we have the specs of actually what the size of it when it's folded up, unfolded. So from my understanding, right now it's coming with a 20 amp hour battery up to 12 miles. Obviously the mileage will depend on the person's weight, terrain, speed, and actually climate. They're going to come out with another battery also. You know, if you want to double your distance, to just get an extra battery pack. You can really go long. I think it's going to be priced around $34.99, but if you get that pre-order in, we can give you a good discount. So just give us a call at 803-926-2224. The front caster wheel's 6.5 inches. It's about 1.3 wide, which kind of worries me a little bit. So I don't know how good it's going to be outside in the yard. We'll find out when we do our reviews. The Jazzy Ultralight does so well because it has the 8-inch height and the 1.5-inch thick wide tires. Seems like it did well, but it's really kind of all about the programming. So we'll see how this programs. It will have a 250-watt motor, 2 motors. It's got 10.6-inch rear tire. Yeah, and the Jazzy Ultralight was 10.7. It's also going to have full front and rear suspensions. So suspensions, and they say rear, so we'll see what that looks like when it comes in. Flip back arms. You can add a headrest to this Louis. Oh, look at the foot plate. Pretty large foot plate. So not only does Pride have the HD Carbon coming out, they also have the Jazzy Carbon 27. and the Jazzy Carbon 27X. Well, what's the difference between the X and the 27? Well, X is an X series fold, so it folds like a wheelchair. And the Jazzy Carbon 27 is a fold down, folds down like most power chairs that fold down. That makes sense. Both of them are 27 pounds. Now we're gonna do a review over this. I don't think these are gonna be better. I still think the Jazzy Ultralight is better than these. The reason why people are gonna buy these because they're super lightweight, 27 pounds, but the Jazzy Ultralight's only 33 pounds. If, you know, until I get to see these in person, I haven't got a chance to see these in person yet. I don't want to like say anything bad about them. That's why when we get them, we'll review them. We just know the Jazzy Ultralight has been amazing fold-up power chair. We do know that. I didn't mention the Jazzy Carbon HD folds and locks too, so that's really cool that they're actually bringing the fold and lock design, which most fold-up power chairs don't have that. The Jazzy Ultralight did, which made it really nice for loading because it locked when you folded it. Why would you go with the X series fold or the Jazzy 27X over the Jazzy 27? Why would you do that? Well, the reason why I would sell it to you after asking you some questions is, think about this. Let me go grab a wheelchair. Let's act like this is the Jazzy 27. This is the Jazzy Carbon, but let's act like it's the Jazzy 27. And this is the Jazzy 27X. This is a fold down like so. Cool, nice, folds up. Come down, pick it up. Where the Jazzy 27X will be fold up similar to a transport chair that I'm showing you, or a wheelchair. You don't have to bend as much. I believe the back's gonna fold down too on the Jazzy 27. So if someone has a hard time doing this, this is sometimes easier. Now, a lot of fold-up chairs do this. The Jazzy Ultralight folds down like this. The Jazzy Heavy Duty Carbon folds down like this. But the X Series fold is something to think about if you can't bend over. And we also have the Airlux 2 coming from Travel Buggy, will be an X Series fold like this that I think you're really gonna like too. So the other thing that's nice about the X Series fold and the Jazzy 27 is if you turn this into a transport chair, there'll be motors. We talk about it, you can flip the motors. Then you have handles to push someone. So you can use the Jazzy 27X more as a transport chair too if you need it. You can do that the same with this, but it's just kind of designed with the handles up here. What I mean by pushing someone is that you have the brake release. On all these fold-up chairs are very common in the same spot. You can push this like a wheelchair. And it's nice that you have that option because when you fly, if you're flying, folding power chairs really are the easiest ones to fly with because the flight attendant or the people that are handling this, they're seeing these motor releases on a lot of different models. So it's pretty simple for them to find where the motor release is if they need it to push it and then lock it back into place.
A notable alternative.
I'm bringing this to you. This is the Travel Buggy City 2, and it's about 65 pounds. So like what I was telling you, it's the Jazzy Carbon HD coming, it's gonna be 32 pounds. That's a big deal. It's half the weight of this unit. But I'm not telling you, I mean, this still might be the right unit for you. I don't know. So this one has the options to widen the arms. So we can extend these arms to 21 inches between the arms. So this gives you more room than Jazzy Carbon coming. It's also got what they call frog suspensions at the front. That's really cool. Adjustable foot plate, in and out, and it does fold down. Big, large, fat tires at the back. Almost 13 inches, and they're pretty big. About 2 inches across. If you have a minivan, you can actually do this. Prop these on the back of your car and just kind of leverage load it in. It also has your digital dash, removable batteries, good distance, 2 batteries. Accessory is usually here, a cup holder. What's also nice about this one is it has a recline. Sometimes getting the lightest weight unit is not the right thing, not the best. So we got to figure out, you know, if you can handle 65 pounds, but now we have the 32 pound coming. So, you know, the problem with this chair has been it's just too heavy for people to pick up. So now with the Jazzy Carbon HD coming, half the weight of this, it should be a top selling power chair in the fold up market for people that need more room. Stick with us because we have a lot more videos coming out about the Jazzy Carbon HD once we get it, the unboxing, the review, the ride test, customer review, all types of stuff. And if you're very interested in, you want to go ahead and pre-order one because you just need a heavy duty chair and you can only pick up 32 pounds, go ahead and pre-order. We'll ship it right to you when it comes in.
We hope you are as excited as we are about the all-new Jazzy Carbon HD folding power chair. Call us Monday to Friday, 9 to 5 Eastern Time. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Get your pre-order today so you can hit the road tomorrow.
If you rather have a heavy-duty mobility scooter, check out the Buzz Around Carry-On HD. Heard they're out of stock, but we still have them. We're shipping this to Delaware today because he needed it by Christmas. It's on the way to you. Thank you for your order.
Carry on 220 HD.
Perfect. Slide it right in the back there.
Heading to Delaware, right?
You got it. Front porch drop off and we'll keep it upright.
She's snug.
Shouldn't move an inch.
Thanks, Chris.
Make sure to come back to our shop videos where we do full unboxings and much more. So like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.